Okay, so this is the hip abduction. This is one of the roles that your glutes will work because it is essentially, abduction just means you're moving away from the body. You could do this, so like when we're doing the clams or laying clams, sitting clams, banded clams, it's that same kind of thing. From here, just on the machine. So set your feet on the pegs, use the handles, bring yourself in, as tight as it can go. Essentially, what you're gonna need to start with, sit yourself up and drive your knees outwards. There's a common mistake that people will kind of push with their feet, but then like my knees have come off the pads. It's not really what I want to work on. Keep your knees against the pad the entire time. Stay nice and tall. You can use onto the handles if you want to. Let me go from here. Right now, I'm working on my abductors, my hip flexors. That's it. However, there is a variation that you can do that is more glute specific. All I do is shimmer myself forwards, push my glutes back. Now when I do it, bring my chest down and go from here. Now, it's targeting right back here. Slightly harder variation. Have a go with that. That's it.